Welcome to Tales Flick English. Let's learn English through a simple story. I messaged the wrong person. Listen carefully and read each sentence slowly. I was half asleep when it happened. My phone buzzed beside me. I grabbed it without thinking. It was a message from my best friend. She asked, "Did you tell him yet?" My heart started racing. I hadn't told anyone, but I wanted to. So I opened a new chat. I typed quickly. I don't trust him anymore. I read it once. I felt nervous, but I hit send anyway. Then I froze. Something felt wrong. I checked the name. My stomach dropped. I didn't send it to my friend. I sent it to him. My hand started shaking. I stared at the screen. The message showed delivered. I couldn't breathe. Why didn't I double check? I wanted to disappear. Seconds felt like hours. Then my phone buzzed again. He was typing. I almost threw my phone away. A message appeared. What do you mean? My mind went blank. I didn't know what to say. I tried to explain, but nothing sounded right. Another message came. Did I do something wrong? That hurt to read. He sounded confused. I felt guilty immediately. He trusted me, and I broke that trust. I took a deep breath. I decided to be honest. I typed slowly this time. I was scared to talk to you, so I complained instead. My finger hovered over send. Then I pressed it. The waiting was unbearable. My thoughts were loud. Maybe he'd be angry. Maybe he'd block me. Maybe I deserved it. My phone buzzed again. I forced myself to read. Thank you for telling me. I blinked in surprise. That wasn't what I expected. Another message appeared. I wish you told me sooner. My chest felt lighter. He wasn't yelling. He wasn't attacking me. He wanted to understand. We started talking calmly. I explained everything. He listened carefully. For the first time, I felt relief. The conversation wasn't easy, but it was honest. And honesty felt better. My fear slowly faded. I realized something important. Avoiding truth creates bigger problems. Speaking up creates solutions. Even when it's scary. Even when it's messy. Silence helps no one. That wrong message taught me a lesson. Mistakes can open doors, if we're brave enough. I looked at my phone again. This time I smiled. The fear was gone. Only clarity remained. Sometimes accidents force honesty, and honesty brings peace. I'm grateful I pressed send. Thank you for listening. Like, share, subscribe. Tales Flick English.